Alright, recently I uploaded a video where I put the servo on my rock crawler. Well, this is the ESC I purchased for the rock crawler. It's the HobbyWing Quicrun 1080, I think. Pretty sure that's the name of it. This is gonna be an unboxing video of it. This was also purchased on a budget, so I'll be reviewing this as well. Just getting it open. In the box is one tiny zip tie, some HobbyWing stickers, a programmer. I'm very glad that they included this. This is a programming card and has all this useful information on the back. I think that's a really nice touch. Two pieces of double-sided tape and 2 pieces of heat shrink. This is the ESC itself. Comes with an on-off switch. And a 4th channel. I'm gonna have to change this connection. It's got blue and yellow. I think blue is positive and yellow is... Nope, that's backwards. Blue is negative and yellow is positive. Comes with a lot of papers, an extension cord. I'm pretty sure this is for the programming key, I think. Oh, that's interesting. This ESC I'm going to be putting in my rock crawler very shortly. This was an inexpensive ESC. It's programmable. It comes with a programming card. It's waterproof. I'm excited to see how well it works. That's pretty much it for this video. This was an unboxing video. If you want to see the rock crawler I'm talking about, there will be a link. You can click right there. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can click right there. And as always, this is Wiley Riley signing off. Thank you for watching.